Uttor Hangkor Bagbassao constituency by Khobjak Amcheo Raidasayati Rangborokni Kath Yakton Klaimungno Kashui Kotor Chasamung Malkha Bolong Tang Bedek Lai Thangjak Thangkhalo Horai Chuko Uttor Horua Amcheo Rutukmung Khlai Kabangma Rangborokni Segon Buphangni Chirokjak Kath Mankha Tei Mankha Bolero Malkhung Khungsa Orutuk Mugotongo Dharmanagar Bugaste Bolong Tang Bedni Tangphang Ashok Kumar Forest Ranger Shopriyo Debnath Choraibari Forest Beat Incharge Ashutosh Malakar Lalchora Forest Beat Incharge Obijit Das Bolong Tang Bedni Tangphang Ashok Kumar Shaikh Naraka Twijak Koktuma Mani Phungni Dampuri Jorabo Rutukmung Khlailai Mani Tei TR02L1557 number ni Bolero Malkhung Go Teinai Kabangma Rangborokni Chirokjak Kath Lainai Hinai Koktuma Manmani Aboni Yagulo Phungni Dambashoti Thamji Tami Tongmani Jorabo Kalachora Block Road Gana Amchio Kath twijak Bolero Malkhung Nukha Bolong Tang Bedekni Adongrok Aboni Yagulo no Signal Rumaya Globo Malkhung Bathagrelia Malkhung Chaloknai Malkhung Doi Chalokmani Yagulo Malkhung Lahar Party Mung Party Wi Malkhung Philwi Thangkha Aboni Yagulo Malkhung Chaloknai Party Ma Thaini Khari Thangmani Koktuma Kase Phaika Party Ma Thayo Kabangma Rangborokni Segon Buphangni Chirokjak Kath Mankha Tei Aboni Hati Rangmari 1 lakh अंगनाई हिने शाइखना रखा बोलोंग तांग बेदकनि तांगफांग अशोक कुमार
4 बजे पेट्रोलिंग पे निकले थे स्टाफ के साथ में। तो पेट्रोलिंग के ड्यूरिंग में नॉर्थ हुरुआ में जब गए तब देखा गया कि बोलेरो पिकअप के साथ में ये अराउंड 2 क्यूबिक मीटर माल है, तो जिसकी मार्केट वैल्यू लगभग 1 लाख रुपए है। तो बोलेरो पिकअप भी पकड़ी है और साथ में ये कार्ट भी पकड़ी है।
कितना कार्ट है सर? यहाँ में
इसमें 2 क्यूबिक मीटर के आसपास कार्ट है।
और जो गाड़ी पकड़ा है उसका नंबर क्या है सर?
उस गाड़ी का नंबर आपको मैं अभी फोटो हम दे देते हैं।
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikmanavar railway station.